How to create an online store for sports and outdoor gear. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your online store with Squarespace.com platform. So this is the main page of the platform. You just click on get started and you will be able to choose from a variety of templates, a pre-made template that will make the job easier for you. You can always choose the blank template if you want to create your own template from scratch, but you can save some time by choosing the pre-made templates and it will work just fine for you. For me, I find it even better to work with the pre-made templates than to create my own template from scratch. So here we can find a lot of templates, and you can also filter by type if you want an online store, or you can filter by topic if you want art and design, health and beauty, food, entertainment, professional services, fashion, or fitness as our niche, which is the sports and outdoor gear. So here we can choose one of these templates, but this is for trainers, it's not for products. So let's see if we can find one for products. So you can always choose another template that is not even related to your niche, and you can just empty the products and change some text and headline, and it will be good for your niche and for your use. So let's choose this one. I think this one is a good template. It's the Alameda template. So you can just click start with Alameda, but first I'm going to preview the template, and here you can just click on view demo site to see the site in full. Click on view Alameda site, and here you can see the site. So this is the template, as you can see, pretty smooth, and it's a very simple design with white. So I think this is a good template. I'm going to use this one. So click on start with this design, and you wait for them to set things up, and they will request you to give a title for your template or your site. And just type in the title of your niche, because you can create multiple sites with this platform. So to make every template stand out and every online store to separate your templates from others, you just give it the title. So in our case, it's sports and outdoor gear. So I'm going to type in my niche name, sports and outdoor gear, and then you click on continue. So let's click on continue, and we close these tabs, and then we will proceed to see our dashboard. So here we have a lot of sections, so every one of them and its job. So for example, we have the website where you can create products, you can create product page and it's the website where you can check your pages. You can create pages or delete the ones that you already have. And if you want to create products, you need to go to Ecommerce, and here you can see your orders, inventory, or you can create products. As you can see, you can check your orders, inventory, customers, discounts. You can create products and set up your payments gateways or your subscription plan if you are in the training business, or if you want more ways to sell like memberships, custom merch, and things like that. And here we have also the marketing section, which is obvious for marketing, for your social media marketing or your email campaigns. And this one is for scheduling if you are in the consulting business, if you want to set appointments and set meetings. And here it's for analytics to see your geography, sales, traffic, and things like that. Also, you will see a chart in here, but we don't have any data for now. And here for profiles, if you want to set your clients' profiles. And last thing is settings, where you can set your domains, your Google Workspace, and if you want to change your site availability, your site languages, and so on. You can also set your store payments in here. You can set your Stripe account or your PayPal account, also a Squarespace account if you are from the United States. And if you want to edit the design and adjust your template, just click on edit, and you'll be able to play with this sections and blocks, text, headlines. You can change all of that if you want. So I will show you how you can do that. It's pretty easy. Nothing is too hard in squarespace.com. So as you can see here, you can add section by clicking on here. You can duplicate this section, but it does not give that option for us. So you can move it down, you can move the section down, you can edit the section from here, you can change the colors. As you can see, you can change the format, like the width, column spacing, row spacing, text alignment also, image text spacing. You can change the categories type. So you can pretty much play with all these things. Also, you can just you can just select a product and you can change that product page. And here you can duplicate the section, or you can remove it. You can also add blocks by clicking on add block, and you will be able to add a text or image, video, audio, form, newsletter, shape, and a lot more. You can change the text by just clicking on it, and you can delete or leave it at that. So you can play with all this. Also here you can change the site style from fonts to colors, animations, spacing, and so on. So as I said guys before, it's pretty easy to work on this platform. So I hope you get the idea. That's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.